Thanksgiving? Great. Okay, does everyone have their paper and a pencil? Okay, great. Okay, today we're going to be learning more about equations. Does everyone remember about equations? We learned about those before Thanksgiving? Okay, good. Heather, I need you to come back and have a seat. Okay, the first problem that we need to work is 7 times b equals 54. Can everybody write that down on their sheet paper for me? And I'll give you a minute to work that. Okay, Heather, you really need to stay in your seat. You're disrupting the other students. Okay, has everyone written that first problem down and solved it?
What was it?
Okay, is 7 times b equals 54, Heather? You need to pay attention. Okay, does everyone else have that? Lauren, Missy?
Yeah, I'm a little confused. I mean, do you think it should be 7b times 56? Because 7 doesn't go into 50.
Well, let's see. We'll work that out in a minute, okay? Okay. Now we're going to do some problems together. We'll come back to that one more, okay? Let's move on to this one. b times 9 equals 81. Missy, what do we need to do first?
You're going to move the 9 to the other side by dividing by 9.
By dividing by 9? Okay, that's great. Heather, I need you to come have a seat. Okay, students, so we need to divide 81 by 9. Is that correct? Okay, great. Missy, since you told me to do that, what did you get for your answer?
9.
You got 9? Okay, great. Now, students, what is 45 equals c times 9? What do we have to do, Lauren?
We have to divide the 9 and divide 45 by 9.
Okay, and what does that answer give us?
Gives us 5.
Gives us 5? Okay, great. Heather, I need you to come have a seat when we go back over the first problem again. That's okay, you need to come have a seat. Okay, so this is the end of the first class period, the first class. I've taken baseline data, and you notice Heather's getting in and out of her seat a lot. And I collected this data for 6 to 8 days, and after taking it, now we're going to implement grandmother's role for NC behavior. And I noticed that Heather got out of her seat 6 times during the period. So we're going to divide 60 by 6 because it was an hour period, and that's going to give us 10 minutes. So the goal is to have Heather stay in her seat for 10 minutes. And now we're going to start, which this would be like day 9. After we're going to implement grandma's role. So Heather, can I have a moment with you please before class gets started? Heather, I'm wanting to implement some things in class to help you stay in your seat. And if you noticed right here, notice you're really getting out of your seat a lot. Well, that's what we're going to work on today. I've noticed that you've got out of your seat 6 times within 1 hour. So what we're going to do is I've got some paper for you. I want you to keep these things at your desk to help you be more prepared, okay? And I've got a hand sanitizer and some Kleenexes and some paper. And we've got a mechanical pencil so that way you don't have to get up constantly and have to sharpen your pencil. But what I want you to do is I'm going to set a timer. And I want you to stay in your seat until that timer goes off. And this is going to be for 10 minutes, okay? And if you can stay in your seat, I know, but we're going to work on it. If you can stay in your seat for those 10 minutes, then you're going to be rewarded with out-of-seat behavior, okay? Okay, so let's try that today, okay? Get your things. If you'll go have a seat by Lauren. Okay, everyone, are y'all ready?
Yes.
Okay, everybody got their name and date on the paper? Okay, great, thank you. Okay, let's review for our test. You know we have a test coming up in a couple days. Missy, what is b times 5 equals 40?
Well, first you have to divide by the 5, and then you divide the 40 by the 5, so it's 8.
Okay. All right, great job. Okay, Heather, will you come here for a moment? You did so good staying in your seat today. So what I would like you to do is come up here to the board with me, and I'd like you to write this problem out for me, okay? Okay, everyone else, you need to pay attention to Heather, okay? Heather, will you work f times 4 equals 32? Okay, all right. Great job, Heather. You can have a seat. Ring, ring. Okay, thank you, class. Y'all did a great job today. I'll see you tomorrow. Remember to do your homework, 1 through 25.
Okay, we have a test tomorrow?
No, the test is in 2 days tomorrow.
Okay.
We'll review again tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and we're done. Okay, and as everyone can see, what I did is I collected the data.